Hey y'all, I'm officially getting ready for my summer vacation, which is a family cruise. And of course, I wanted to show you all the outfits I'm packing. Everything is from SHEIN, one of my favorite stores to get super affordable, really cute outfits. Just search Vacay Vibes and you'll find like tons of vacation appropriate wear. So I'm going to start with a banger and I'm going to show you the dress I'm going to wear for elegant night on the cruise. So white is such a good vacay outfit. It just looks so good with a tan. This is a halter and it's got all this forgiving ruching and this beautiful like kind of like gold hardware to dress it up. It's long, it's flowy, it kind of is forgiving if you're eating a big dinner. So I love this. I think this is going to be just perfect amount of like dressiness. I'm going to show you the bottom as well. I'm a little bit short, but it hits the ground. So I think with a heel we'll be okay. How cute is this little butter yellow, the season color, little maxi? I love the detail that this part kind of goes a little higher here versus just straight because it makes it look a little elevated. It's got a little slit for movement, ruching, super easy, comfortable to throw on with sandals or heels. And I definitely would wear this like on the porch or just like for dinner, throw on a little cardigan. So yeah, this is such an easy wearable dress, maxi length. Everything so far I've been wearing is a size large, by the way. We have another white dress. This one's a little bit more casual, flowy. I would totally wear this day or night. It has a little cutout here. It's a halter. Fits really good for my short girls. I don't need a heel with this one, which is lovely. And I'm using like stick-on bra cups because it has a little cutout here, and that's perfect. So yeah, I love this one. I will definitely wear this one day or night. Of course, you got to have some bathing suits, y'all. So this is actually so cute. It's actually a two-piece. It's a one-piece bathing suit with a full skirt that's sheer, like a cover-up, but it has this little front panel for even more coverage. So this makes me feel like not too exposed. It's like I'm actually wearing a real outfit, so I can go from the pool to the bar. And it's so cute. I love the little floral pattern. This would actually be even cute with a different bottom to take it from like pool to shore. Would you guys even guess that this is also a swimsuit? So it's similar in that it's like the one piece, but it has a skirt that's long. So it like really dresses us up. I definitely feel like I could wear this like on the shore excursion to the beach. It has this adorable little detail, which are these little pearls right here. I feel really covered up and really summer and breezy. So this is definitely a win. So I definitely think I'm obsessed with this butter yellow color. I just threw these on with a pair of little loose khaki shorts, and it's such an easy outfit. This does feel kind of big. I got a large. I should have gotten a medium, but it's very comfy and stretchy. It's just a little bit too wide for me. So size down on this one, but I love the fabric. It actually looks so high quality. It actually has these little embroidered flowers on here. So yeah, you could even wear this with like some cute white pants and dress it up. Loving the butter yellow, and I'm loving like the flared out and the peplum. So this is my last piece. I wanted to go a little bit more clubby with this. So the model in the picture wore hers kind of low rise, but you can totally wear it high like me so it connects. It's a long skirt with a little halter top, very Caribbean, very vacation. This part shows the little white part, so you got to make sure to flip that over. But yeah, that kind of helps hide the belly too. So yeah, it's another two-piece set, which sets are so easy and perfect for vacation. I would totally wear this like at night to the club, on the cruise ship. But I like it because, like I said, it's like sexy, but it's also kind of forgiving at the same time. So yeah, this is what I plan on bringing with me on my cruise lookbook. What piece was y'all's favorite? And don't forget to search Vacay Vibes to find your summer vacation outfits. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao, Bellas.